Sometimes when we get a little extra cash, we may be stuck with a critical decision to make, and that's the decision whether to pay off or pay down debt or to take that little extra money and invest it for a bigger financial gain. For some of us, this may be an easy decision to make. However, for those of us who are on the fence, I want to highlight some facts surrounding this dilemma and let you be the judge in the end based off your particular situation. What's going on, guys? Chris Robinson here. In today's video, we will try to determine the best possible option for utilizing our extra cash. So be sure to watch through the full video, take notes, smash the likes button, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos like this. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alright, so this discussion will not mean anything to you if you don't have any debt. However, since debt is more common, we'll start by examining the factors surrounding paying down your debt. Alright, so there are plenty of motives on why you would choose to pay down your debt rather to invest. The first will be related to your interest rate. If you pay down your debt for those accounts that have relatively high interest rates, you may be able to come out ahead on saving a lot of money. And this is especially beneficial for those of us who have a lot of credit card debt. Because according to Investopedia's credit card database, the average interest rate on credit cards was roughly 19.26%, and there are not too many investments that can match that type of rate of return. Another benefit for paying down your debt can be related to boosting your credit score. And I know some of you may be thinking, if I can make a lot of extra money, why do I care about my credit score? Well, in my personal opinion, you gotta be crazy not to care about your credit score, because if you ever need access to extra cash like a good loan with good rates, your credit score can help you achieve that. Also, your credit score plays a big factor in other common sense factors of your life, like getting approved for a home, not even just a home to buy, but a home to rent, sometimes even a job, and other important things of your life. So, your credit score plays a big factor and holds a lot of weight in your credibility of your life. Alright, so those are a few things that we found beneficial for paying down your debt. However, let's now look at some factors related to investing. So let's first start off by keeping this in mind. If you know for a fact that you can make more money by investing than the cost of your debt, then it only makes sense that you invest, because this will allow you to manage your debt or even put you in a position to be able to pay off your debt faster. For example, if your return rate on your investment is higher than your mortgage rate, you will most definitely be able to use that extra cash to pay off your house faster. However, returns on your investments are not always consistent. You may be able to see positive returns one year, and the next you may see negative returns. And I know some of you will probably be like,
Wait, Chris. What about CDs and U.S. Treasury bills? Those tend to have consistent returns.
well, you're probably right. However, they will never see rates nearly as high as those rates similar to credit card companies. Okay, so we talked about the factors related to paying down debt as well as the factors related to investing. However, some of you will probably be thinking, well, what if I do both? And I would say that is most definitely an option, and you're definitely entitled to do both. In fact, I strongly suggest that you do both. Okay, so as for my opinion, if you have enough money to pay off all of your debt completely, this will probably be the best option to start with, because this will give you one less thing to worry about. However, if it's debt that you know will take time to pay off, I strongly suggest that you do both, just like I mentioned earlier. For example, if you have a savings account or plan on developing one, I suggest that you use that money to develop a mutual fund or a money market fund. But wait, what is a mutual fund and a money market fund? Mutual funds invest money in a selection of securities, which in most cases are stocks and bonds. Money market funds, on the other hand, are a type of mutual fund that invests in ultra-safe investments like treasury securities. Okay, so just looking at the facts, paying down your debt can benefit your pockets as well as your credit score. So focusing on paying down your debt can go a long way. However, if you're a risk taker, investing can open up more opportunities for you. But the bottom line is, only you know the best option to stand on, because what works for one person isn't guaranteed for the next. However, regardless of the option that we stand on, we do know that it's important that we choose both rather than to just spend the money on something with no financial gain. Alright guys, so that's the factors pertaining to paying down debt or choosing to invest. You may have noticed a little difference to my hair as compared to the previous video. I decided to make a little change, but I hope you guys like it. Also, if you find this video helpful, please be sure to smash the like button to help us out in the YouTube algorithm, and don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.